Hi, I'm Indiana personal injury attorney David Holub. The other day, we got a call from a mother whose 12-year-old daughter was involved in a go-kart accident at an amusement park. The 12-year-old had rented a go-kart, or the parents had, and a 20-year-old was also on the track in a go-kart rented from the same facility, and the 20-year-old hit a pothole and then crashed into the 12-year-old. The 20-year-old said that his brakes failed. And let's first look at the 20-year-old. The 20-year-old certainly could be held liable for going too fast for conditions and for not paying attention to the fact that the potholes were on the track. Apparently he'd gone around the track a number of times and was certainly aware of the potholes. Also, since he's old enough to have his own vehicle, if he does have a driver's license and does have his own vehicle, his own insurance policy on his own vehicle may cover. You'd have to look at the policy language. There may be an exclusion, but it may cover his actions operating the go-kart. Some policies cover whether you're operating a rental car or somebody else's car. Now, as to the amusement park, certainly there's a possibility that you could argue that they rented a go-kart without good brakes. They have an obligation to make sure that the brakes are working on anything that they rent out. They also could be held responsible for presenting go-kart operators with a track that has potholes in it and is not a safe track. Now, certainly you can sometimes sue highway contractors in towns and cities for improper maintenance of a roadway. So here you have a situation where a 12-year-old was hurt, and there looks to be enough potential issues to justify investigating the claim and seeing if there's something that can be done for the mother and child. If you find this content helpful, please like and subscribe. If you want to know more about us, please visit our website, davidholublaw.com, and also we would suggest visiting our sister website, personalinjuryprimer.com. And at personalinjuryprimer.com, you can subscribe to our weekly podcast.